Unit 3. Warm-up. 1. A. The man is fishing on the boat. B. The man is holding a fish with his hands. C. The fish is being sold in a market. D. The fish is too heavy for him to carry. 2. A. Some people with life jackets are rowing a canoe. B. The 3 men are fixing the boat by the river. C. The 3 men are bored rowing the boat. D. A canoe is approaching the finish line. Conversation 1. Henry and Emmy are planning their trip to Ogasawara National Park.
The Ogasawara Islands look far away from the mainland on the map. How far are they?
They are about 1,000 kilometers south of Tokyo, but is still part of Tokyo.
Really? Can we fly there?
No, they are only accessible by boat. A faster boat called a liner was planned to be in service, but they gave up because of its fuel cost.
I see. How long will it take by the current boat then?
More than a day. And that's the problem. I easily get seasick.
Why don't you buy some motion sickness medicine?
Sometimes that kind of medicine doesn't work at all on me.
Then you should consult a doctor.
I guess I don't have any other choice. I will go to see my doctor before we leave.
Yes, go ahead. In the meantime, I'll learn more about Ogasawara from the book.
How about going to the library? I'm sure they have some books about Ogasawara written in English.
Okay, I'll head there now.
Background information. Added in July 2011, Ogasawara is one of Japan's newest additions to UNESCO's list of World Natural Heritage Sites. Ogasawara's chain of islands is made up of 30 subtropical and tropical islands. However, people only live on 2 of the islands, Chichijima and Hahajima. In English, Ogasawara is commonly called Bonin Islands, which is from the Japanese word mujin, meaning no people or uninhabited. The Ogasawara Islands are sometimes referred to as the Galapagos of the Orient. The nickname is from the wide variety of plants that have evolved differently on each of the islands. More than 500 plant species grow there, and 43% of them are native to Ogasawara.
Conversation 2. Henry and Emmy are talking about Iwoto on the boat to Ogasawara.
Kita Iwoto and Minami Iwoto are part of the Ogasawara World Heritage Site, but somehow Iwoto itself isn't listed.
But it's too famous to ignore for American people. We call it Iwo Jima.
Is it because of the Battle of Iwo Jima?
Yes. Do you know about that? Starting in February 1945, the American and Japanese armies fought fiercely for more than 1 month. In the end, America defeated Japan, but many soldiers were killed or hurt.
How many?
About 20,000 Japanese soldiers out of 21,000 died, and more than 6,000 American soldiers died, and 22,000 were injured in the tragic battles.
I've heard that many weapons, such as tanks, ships, cannons, and aircrafts, are still left deserted on the island.
Yes, not only the weapons, but the remains of Japanese soldiers are still there resting forever. And the survivors from both sides of the battle met and conducted a memorial service together for the 40th and 50th anniversary of the battle.
I see. Since ordinary people are not allowed to land on Iwoto, we should pray for peace from here.
Yes, and I'm glad that we are friends now and are traveling together on these beautiful islands. Useful expressions. Giving advice. I easily get seasick.
Why don't you buy some motion sickness medicine?
Sometimes that kind of medicine doesn't work at all on me.
Then you should consult a doctor.
Asking the distance and time. How far is it from here to the station?
It's about 750 meters.
How long will it take by bicycle?
It'll take less than 5 minutes.